happening, guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I'm still plugging away on the old Titanic over here. Still sanding and body work, and oh man. And I kind of thought this side was going to be better, but it's not. I still got body work to do here. That's all done back there now. Did the trunk and all that around the back. So this side, I just got to do the door, take the molding off the bottom and this wheel molding off, and then yeah, it's coming around here. It's coming around. I still got to get this emblem off, but the guy's getting tired of sanding, that's for sure. I'll tell you, my fingers lost a couple layers of skin. So, but yeah, it won't be long now. Anyways, let's turn your. Anyways, what I was going to show you, it wasn't really about the car necessarily. It's these clips here. See how they got a plug in them? And you can't get to the inside, so I was going to just show you guys. Nothing. It's nothing really, you know, super special. It's just basically drill a little hole here, just maybe like this deep, 1/8 of an inch. Put a screw there and pull that plug out. Otherwise, if you know, obviously, if you push it in, you'll lose it on the inside. So, and then that way we can get these clips out, because see how they've been painted before. So the problem with doing that is you kind of risk bridging in here when you get it painted. And then if this vibrates enough or at all or whatever, it'll lift the paint here on the edge. So I don't want to get into that. And you can see here, like, this is original right here. So yeah, I just want to, you know, let me show you. There we go. Can you see? You can see here. All right. So I just got a, what is this, 1/16 bit or something? Like that. And then I take my drywall screw or whatever here, deck screw, whatever. Just go one in, one thread, 2 threads. Take your pliers. See, and the end comes off. Because yeah, you don't want to lose that in the door, because then you'll have to jimmy rig it. The problem with this car is I don't know if these clips are even available. I'm going to have to look into it, because some of these, whoa, just about, see? Whoa. Some of these clips are getting a little bit worn out here where they go in. I think it's just basically from the vibrations. Come on now, what the hell here? What the Sam hell? Take this. It's going to go like this a little bit here. Get inside. There we go, see? Just got to go nice and easy here. Don't get rambunctious. See? That's all it is. But see here, like you can see how like worn these are, right? See, this one's the other. Oh, this one, look at this one, just not even holding. So, yeah, they're not in very good shape. I think these moldings have been on and off a few times too, so, you know. Let me do this one here. Can you see? Can you see this one? I'll do it again just so you guys know I didn't luck out, okay? This is it. This is it. And that way, I can sand in here properly. Yeah, this one was a little bit hard here, right? Ooh. That was close. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. And you can see even the piece here that rubs where the molding's there's supposed to be plastic that sits on the body here, so the molding doesn't rub on the body, and they're all mostly gone. They're not there no more. So, you know, like I said, if a guy can't get new ones, might have to see if we can get some used ones, I guess, someplace. There, see? See what I mean? See this little tab sticking out here? Well, there's supposed to be one on the top here too, and they're gone. It's just from wear and time, and it's been painted before, and obviously who knows, right, what's happened over the years, but this one here is still pretty solid, but it's missing this here, so, you know, I'm going to look in to see if I can get new ones of these. Alright guys, and that's about it, man. That's all I wanted to show you. So share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.